Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to select multiple values with a slicer in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data visualizations and need to filter your reports by multiple categories at once, making your analysis much more flexible and efficient. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you've got it up and running, you'll want to navigate to the report where your slicer is located. Take a moment to find your slicer on the canvas. This is the visual element that allows you to filter your data, and it's what we'll be working with throughout this tutorial. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You actually have two different options to select multiple values on your slicer, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever method works best for your workflow. The first option is straightforward and quick. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on multiple values within your slicer. This method is great if you're already comfortable with keyboard shortcuts and want to make quick selections without changing any settings. Each click while holding Control will add another value to your selection, giving you instant control over your filters. The second option involves a setting change that can make your life even easier, especially if you're frequently selecting multiple values and don't want to constantly hold down the Control key. Here's how to set that up. Click on your slicer to select it. Once it's selected, direct your attention to the right side of your screen where you'll see the Visualizations pane. This pane contains all the formatting and configuration options for your selected visual. In the Visualizations pane, click on the Format icon. This icon looks like a paint roller and opens up a whole range of formatting options specifically for your slicer. From the menu that appears, click on Slicer Settings. This section contains the specific controls for how your slicer behaves and interacts with your data. Within Slicer Settings, look for and click on Selection. This is where you'll find the controls for how multiple values can be selected. You'll notice there's a toggle button beside the option that says Multi-Select with Control key. By default, this toggle is turned on, which means you need to hold the Control key to select multiple values. Go ahead and click that toggle button to turn it off. This simple action changes the behavior of your slicer completely. Now you can select multiple values on your slicer without needing to hold the Control key on your keyboard at all. Just click away on as many values as you need, and each one will be added to your selection automatically. And that's it. You've now configured your Power BI slicer to work exactly how you need it to, whether you prefer using keyboard shortcuts or clicking freely without any extra keys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.